Hello friends, welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel. In this video, here we discuss regarding to the some genetical terms. In our previous video, we discussed regarding to the Mendelian inheritance, some basics regarding to the Mendelian inheritance. Before the study of crosses, that is monohybrid cross or dihybrid cross, here we know some genetical terms which are repeatedly used in the experiments of genetics or in monohybrid or dihybrid cross. So let's start here. In the genetical terms, first that is character. Character means external feature of an organism. Means for example, that my hand, my leg, my eyes, my ear, that is the character. Regarding to the plants or the pea plant which is studied by the Mendel, that character is that height of the plant and that is color of the flower, that shape of the seed. These are the characters. So character means that feature of a organism. Second term is trait. Trait means the character which is transferred from one generation to the next generation, means inheritable character, that is called trait. So that is a new term regarding to the genetics, that is trait. Simply we call it as character, but trait means the character which is inheritable, means transfer from one generation to the next generation. Third one is factor. Factor is something which is responsible for the transmission of a character from one generation to the next generation. Mendel coined that term factor. Means Mendel doesn't know about the particular nature of that factor. That's why he gave name as a factor. And nowadays that factor is regarded as gene. So that third term is factor. Fourth one is gene. Gene is a particular segment of DNA. Structurally, that gene is particular segment of DNA. And that Mendelian factor is nothing but the gene. So gene is particular segment of the DNA. Next, alleles. Alleles means that two or more alternative forms of genes which are responsible for a particular character, that is called alleles. That is also called as allelomorphs. Another term is dominant. Now here we discuss alleles, means two or more alternative genes. Dominant means that related to the gene. Dominant gene means that gene or the factor which express its character even in presence of its alternative gene. So that is called dominant. And that character is called dominant character. Next term is recessive. Recessive means that allele or a gene which not express its character in presence of its alternative allele. So that is called recessive. So dominant and recessive, that is related to the gene as well as for character. Means the character which not appears in presence of its alternative allele, that is the recessive character, or that gene is the recessive gene. Next one is phenotype. Phenotype means external feature of an organism. External feature of the organism, that is called phenotype. As like the character, that stem of the height of stem in the pea plant, that is tall or dwarf. That tall and dwarf is the phenotypes of the pea plant. Next term is genotype. Genotype means genetic constitution of any kind of a phenotype. As like the height of a stem, that is tall and dwarf. In the genotype, we represent that tall and dwarf as a capital T and small t. So representation of that genetic constitution of any phenotype, that is called genotype. Next term is homozygous. Homozygous means the individual which having similar kind of a genes for a particular character or many character, that is called homozygous. For example, tall plant which having the genotype capital T and capital T, means both genes are similar, so that is homozygous individual. Another example is dwarf plant. That genotype of the dwarf plant is a small t, so that is also homozygous individuals. And that homozygous individuals are also called as a pure line individual. Next term is heterozygous. Heterozygous means the individual which carry dissimilar gene for a particular character, that is called heterozygous. For example, that character of a pea plant that is tall, but the genotype of that tall parent is capital T and small t. Dissimilar gene controls a single character, so that kind of an individual is called heterozygous. Next is F1 generation. In a cross particular from in between the selected parents, the first generation is formed, that is called F1 generation. Here F stands for filial and 1 stands for first. So first filial generation, that is shortly regarded as F1 generation. So F1 generation. Next is F2 generation, the second filial generation which is formed by selfing of a F1 individual, that is called F2 generation. So second filial generation. And last term is checkerboard, or that is the Punnett square. Checkerboard means that an observation table which shows all possible combinations in a particular cross. So that board is called checkerboard. So before the study of a genetical experiments, we should know these genetical terms. So that's why in this video here we discuss some genetical terms. Hope you like this video. Then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.